How to make Capricorn man fall in love with a Cancer woman. When it comes to zodiac compatibility, few pairings are as intriguing as the Capricorn man and Cancer woman. Though they differ in nature, Capricorn is grounded and logical, while Cancer is emotional and nurturing. Their connection can become something strong and lasting. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Cancer woman wondering how to make a Capricorn man fall in love with a Cancer woman, here are 10 essential tips to win his heart. 1. Show emotional maturity. Capricorn men dislike emotional drama. Keep your feelings genuine, but express them calmly and clearly. He's drawn to emotional strength and balance. 2. Be patient and consistent. He takes love seriously and moves slowly. Don't rush him. Stay consistent in your actions and words. He values loyalty above all. 3. Support his ambitions. Capricorn men are driven. Respect his goals and show interest in his work. He'll admire your support and see you as someone who fits into his long-term vision. 4. Let love grow naturally. Don't force deep conversations or emotional closeness too soon. Give him space to open up in his own time. 5. Keep things classy and private. Capricorn men prefer subtlety. Dress with elegance, act with grace, and avoid being too loud or showy in public. 6. Build trust through actions. He watches what you do more than what you say. Be reliable, keep your word, and don't play games. He notices everything. 7. Offer a calm and peaceful vibe. Cancer women have a gift for creating emotional warmth. Use it to make him feel safe and grounded when he's around you. 8. Stay independent. Show him that you can care for others and yourself. He loves a woman who can nurture without losing herself. 9. Understand his quiet love language. He may not say "I love you" often, but he'll show it through actions. Pay attention to the small things he does for you. 10. Use your intuition wisely. As a Cancer, your intuition is powerful. Use it to sense his mood and respond with kindness. He'll feel deeply understood. In a Capricorn-Cancer match, emotional depth meets stability. Follow these steps, and you'll not only get his attention, you'll keep it. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.